Now students, today we are solving question number 12 from the ISS question paper. So x, y, z follows exponential distribution. So x plus y plus z follows a gamma distribution from 3 comma 1. So x plus y plus z by 3 follows a gamma with 3 comma 1 by 3. So this is the mean here. So here D is the direct answer. Next 13 number. Random variable x assumes the negative integral of this thing, so find the value of this value. So p of s is e of sx, probability generating function, so that is sx, p of x equal to x. Now let qn equal to probability of x less than equal to n, that is p0, p1 dot pn. So here we can do a little bit of calculation also. Q of a square is minus a square q of a square. This is a p of a square. So q of a square itself is p of a square divided by 1 minus a square. So directly qn is this, and qn minus 1 will be p of x less than equal to n minus 1, p0 p1 dot pn minus 1. So that is summation of a square n qn, summation of a square n n minus 1, that is summation of a square n pn, that is summation of a square l to the power n qn q0 s square, summation of a square n qn minus 1, summation of a square pn minus p0. Okay, p0 q0 will cancel out. So q of a square minus a square, summation of a square, that is n equal to n minus 1 equal to 0, and this is 1 to the power m qn equal to p of s square. Hence here option number C is the correct answer.